So this is the United Nations flower in Buenos Aires, Argentina. And I guess there's no sense going down there. Is that people in our tour group going all the way around? But let's get a better look at it. That's the National University over there. Nobody's headed back yet. So let's just take a little swift walk around it. Our tour guide said somewhere in there is a mechanism to close it and open it, you know, like it's blooming, but that it's broken. Shouldn't say how long it's been broken or whether they were trying to fix it, just that it wasn't working. So I guess this is open. I don't know. Now we have the high ground and a diagram of it on the ground. That's metal. That must get hot. Of course, that's metal too, so. Oh, they're in our group. So in case I didn't say it before, this is Buenos Aires, Argentina. We're in the Recoleta neighborhood, so the Recoleta Cemetery, or Recoleta, is nearby here. I think we're going to stop there next. Let's go around these people taking pictures. And there you have it. So from Buenos Aires, Argentina, it's Gareth and Janet saying, see you in the next port. Bye.